when you do this, when you guarantee him a delicious hot chocolate, and we're doing something for you for the very first time ever from our good friends at Temp-tations. And if you know Temp-tations, you know Tara Tesher. She is the designer, the creator of this brand, and we've got Tara at home here at QVC, nominated for our best new food brand this year for our Customer Choice Food Awards. This is the most affordable item in our show, and yes, you know what this is? Belgium chocolate. That you're gonna get 8 of these opportunities to make the most delicious hot chocolate. I'm so upset because I lost my hot chocolate from the beginning of the show, but I'm gonna drink a whole new one right now. You can get home 8 of the caramel. You can get home 8 of the all chocolate Belgium chocolate, or you can get a combo where you get 4 and 4 of each. They all come individually wrapped like this. So whether you're kind of using them as stocking stuffers, pairing them with your favorite mug from Temp-tations, and you want to give them as a gift, they work with 12 ounces of your favorite milk, whether it's cow's milk, coconut milk, almond milk, soy milk, whatever it is. And today you have the opportunity to get delicious, fresh Belgium chocolate, hot chocolate. Now, I'm going to invite in Tara Tesher. So, Tara, the reason why I'm inviting you in is because I really want to drink this. Welcome into our show.
Oh, thank you. I have to tell you, these are so decadent. This cup I'm holding right here is called a memory. For me, growing up, my grandmother always got the little saucepan, put it on the stove, heated up the milk, and we would have hot chocolate together. But she never had anything like this, a chocolate ganache, beautiful Belgian chocolate. And what we love about ganache is, of course, it's married with heavy cream. So you get that silky, creamy, delicious, what you're showing there, that gorgeous color. Instead of opening up a packet and dumping a packet into water, this is an entire experience. And the fact that you can either get chocolate, you could either get the caramel, or I recommend that you get the combo, because this is actually scrumptious.
Oh, yeah.
And Belgian chocolate, let's face it, goes back to the 1600s. They know how to make chocolate.
By the way, I recommend you get multiple, and I'll tell you why. At this price, it's $19.98 to get home the set of 8. That breaks down to $2 and less than $2.50 per hot chocolate. But this is like, imagine going to like the super high-end, like crazy delicious pastry shop or restaurant where they give you delicious, fresh-made hot chocolate. Real milk is what you're gonna put in here, whether that's cow's milk, whether that's almond milk, whatever, maybe like coconut milk, like what I love and use. But today, you're gonna get a flavor that's so rich and delicious, and you're gonna get it home on $4 on Easy Pay.
You know what, Alberti? This is hot chocolate with an experience.
Yeah.
This is something you're going to do with your family. You're going to enjoy it. You're gonna say, all right, well, which flavor did you get?
So
you're gonna
delicious.
stir together. You're gonna watch that milk turn chocolatey, and then you're gonna take your first sip, and what happens, Alberti?
And then you're gonna bite out of the spoon, whatever's left on the spoon. Oh, is that just me? Is that just me?
No,
that's not just you.
It is not just you.
Oh my gosh.
Honestly, if I could figure out a way to eat it right off the stick, I would. But from the minute it touches that warm milk, it is amazing, because
so
it
yummy.
immediately starts to silken and soften and melt into that. And I love the delivery system. The fact that it's already on a spoon, that you're literally going to just add right to your hot milk. And that's the memories with your grandchildren, with your children. Always, I can remember always coming in from the cold and making the hot chocolate, doing what you're doing, adding the whipped cream. Hot chocolate is one of those things, it transcends all generations. It's something we're all familiar with, which is why with Tara at home, I was so excited about these. And it's the best of the best, the Belgian chocolate ganache, which just is that super silky, delicious. It's like eating a bite of chocolate every single time you take a sip. And here's the best part, and then I'll be quiet, I promise. The best part is that you can customize this. So if you want it super chocolatey, maybe you don't put 12 ounces, you put 8 ounces. If you want it a little less chocolatey, you can use a little bit more milk. It's literally hot cocoa, melted chocolate on demand, however you want.
Wait, what did we do over here, Tara? Because this is kind of cray-cray. There's like a little bit of a wine scent here.
Yes, we actually did an adult Merlot. where we actually bake it in with the Merlot. We did
Whoa.
some, we called it hopscotch with a little scotch, and you melt the chocolate inside there. We did, of course, things for the kids. So think about all those things. We did one with chai tea. Maybe you're a tea drinker and you can melt this in with your tea. So this isn't just for milk. Think of it melting in with all of your hot things that you love. And there, instead of kind of doing that mulled cider, we did a Merlot chocolate infused little cocoa.
I've got over 1,300 of these ordered. I'm going to take a sip of this because let me
you,
tell you, it's like
everybody.
a hot toddy that you can't pass up.
Oh,
Here's what's going on. You can get 8 of the all caramel, okay? You can get 8 of the all chocolate, hot chocolate only. Or you can get a combination where you get 4 and 4. The combo is the most popular, and I would say pick up multiples if you can. If you gave this to somebody as a gift, you've got 4 of the hot chocolates in there, or the 4 of the hot caramels in there. That's a beautiful gift for less than $10 to be able to give to somebody. Or maybe you're just kind of using them all as stocking stuffers. But pick them up today because they're super, super popular in our show. And they're the most affordable item in our show. So we're very excited about them. Tara,
wow.
Cheers.
Yes. Cheers to that. I just wanted to say there's 4 spoons in each box. So you're getting 8 total. You can keep 4, give 4, you get it. But cheers to that, and I'm glad you guys are enjoying some of my melt. I don't dare call it hot chocolate. It really is an experience.
Ooh, Tara, I've got 2,000 people on the lines right now picking this up. Definitely don't wait on getting those home for yourself. M69757. Just tell us if you want them on November 30th or December 7th. And they're coming home for $4 on Easy Pay with free shipping and handling. What a great idea for a gift for free shipping and handling.
Oh my goodness.
All right, so listen, we've got fewer than, 32 minutes to take advantage.